Good day, I'm Steve Amos, and this video is currently for my CSE341 assignment, which is week 5. Okay, I've already done this video and sent my YouTube, but I'm redoing it again so that this is so that I can, I've made all the correction now, so I can get a full 100% mark. Okay, with that being said, I've sent my GitHub link here, my render link, and I've answered that they are all accessible. Yes, they're all accessible, and then we're told to show that more than 2 persons contributed. So this is number 4. 2 or more individual contribution were documented. So this is it. If I come, you can see that this was documented. So we have more than 2 persons documenting the code. Okay, next thing, we should show that it does not have .env file. You can see that my code does not have .env file. Either does it have the node module file, which means that our git ignore work perfectly well. Okay, this is my GitHub. You can see that this is my teamwork assignment. Okay, with that being said, next thing is that, okay, to show what I did for the team. Okay, so what I did was that I have added course route. I've also created a WhatsApp group that will make it easier for my team. Also commented the code properly. So if I go to my the WhatsApp group I spoke about, you know that I've created a WhatsApp group which help my team for easy communication. So this is a WhatsApp group currently. You can see that on the WhatsApp group, this is my team, and we communicate here easily, and we have our project done. That was something I did for my other teams too. Okay, so that was what I contributed for my team. Also, what I did was that for this week 6, I had to focus on the course route. Let me go to my VS Studio Code. VS Code, if I can see, VS Code. Okay, yes, so this is my Visual Studio Code. Okay, so you can see that our code follows the right folder database, which is the controllers, data, helpers, middleware, and all that. And if you go to the commit that was being made, you can see that this commit was made by me. You can see the Steve Amos Daprim made by me. This was 18 hours ago. So that shows that I contributed to the team also. Okay, so with that being said, I'll go back to the okay, also on my teams. Okay, for some reasons my teams is not showing, so I'm going to just screenshot this and show. Okay, you can see that what I was to do was you can see Steve, to create a course route, which I actually did and I pushed. So that was my team activity to be done, and that was done by me. Okay, so with that being said, I need to show that the code actually works. So that's what I'm going to do now. This video is currently 3 minutes, and now I have enough time to show that the code actually works. Okay, so with that being said, the links are accessible. I've showed that that this works, and this is what I'm doing. As what I'm doing, I'll put to my YouTube link. So now to show that this works and this works, now I'm going to open the code right now. Okay, so I'll right click and open a new tab. That is the render link that is being hosted that I'm opening right now. It's currently opening. So while it's still opening, it's still loading, I'm going to start showing how it actually works. So my network is a bit slow, but I'm sure it's going to open. So while it's still loading, I'm going to be explaining. So you can see that it has the logins, it has the semesters, it has students, it has teachers, it has users, and we are to show that okay, it has opened. Good. Okay, /API docs. You can see that it's live. Okay, good. So now to show that it actually gets the information, let me click the get, try it now and execute. You'll see that it got those informations. Now the post, try it out. Let me just do post test and execute. You see that it works. Sorry, I'm being too fast because of the timeline. Okay, also the error message, 201 created, 500, all those works. Next is the get by ID. So I'm going to copy an ID here, or copy an ID, Ctrl C, and I'm going to paste that ID here. Where is the place? I'll paste the ID here. Okay, try it out. paste the ID here and execute, is to get that particular ID. You can see it did that. The error message works. So that shows that my error handler all works. They all work. And also my get, post, put and delete. Okay, put and delete is left. So let me do the put and the delete. I think this is where I was on. Yeah, so now for put, try it out. Okay, put, try out, put. Okay, so execute. Okay, you can see that there's no ID here, so I have to put an. You can see that it works. That this is that it actually works. It's flat out. Now let me put an ID here now and try it again. You'll see now that it's work. Now it's loading. You see it's worked. Now the delete. Okay, so try out. Now I'll not put an ID, that I'll click on execute. You can see that I give the error message. That means it works perfectly well. This works. Now I'll put an ID now. Control V, execute. You can see that now it has deleted. To then deleted. The message also, the response was okay, and the code description, they are all working perfectly well. So with that being said, that means I have currently done the get, post, put and delete request, okay, for at least 2 collections. So I've done that collection now. Each route uses error handling. I said that error handling all works. So I have only how many minutes left? I have just 30 seconds left. So I'll do that with 30 seconds. I'll be very fast. Now let me do for the teachers route. Teachers get, try it now, execute, post. You can see that it worked perfectly well. Okay, post. Okay, I'll just do this and try it out. B, execute. You can see it worked. Okay, I need to copy an ID here now. Copy an ID, ID, where are you? Okay, good. Copy this ID. Well, I have limited time left. It should not be up to 8 minutes. Okay, next thing is what they get. Try it out. Put the ID here, Control V, execute. It gets that. You can see it works. Next is the put. Try it out. Control V, execute. Then the last thing, you can see it works, is the delete. Try it out. Control V, execute. So with this being said, that means everything worked perfectly well. I've met all the criteria. So now I hope I get a full 100% mark. This video is currently exactly 8 minutes. Bye. Thank you.